Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of cooking. I'm going to be doing a pulled chicken sandwich with coleslaw. It is not my own personal recipe, and I will list where I got the recipe from down below. So, come with me while I cook. Hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with 5 or 6 chicken breast. I've already cleaned them, cut off some of the fat. Stick that right into our crock pot. Just lay it on in there. And I'm using just a cheap Hamilton Beach crock pot from Walmart. Love it though. Gets the job done. I'm going off my little recipe here. So we're going to start off with our mixture. So it is 1.5 cups of barbecue sauce. I use, just like the recipe, I use Sweet Baby Ray's, the honey one. Get more. And even though it only asks for 1.5 cups of the barbecue sauce, once I'm done putting everything in here, I will go back in and I will actually tweak it if I need more, which I do like a lot of barbecue sauce. So now we're going to go on to our brown sugar, and it asks for 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So a little bit of extra brown sugar. Not going to hurt anybody. Alright, and with that same tablespoon that I just used for the brown sugar, I'm not going to dirty any more dishes, I'm going to take Worcestershire sauce, and I'm going to do 1 tablespoon. Get that in there. And to be honest with you, it is telling you to measure. When I did a conversion for it, the onion powder, it was just telling you 1/2 teaspoon or tablespoon per grated onion. I'm just going to eyeball it. Looks good to me. I add garlic powder, even though they don't tell you to. But I love garlic powder, so we're just going to keep sprinkling that in there. Okay. And we're just going to whisk it all up. I don't know if you can see, but that's what it'll look like. And we're just going to mix. Just whisk it up so it's all blended. Okay, and then you're just going to pour it onto your chicken that's in the crock pot already. Okay. Still mixing. I'll be right back. Forgot a spoon to stir it, or at least spread it out over it. Alrighty. And that is all we do with this. And what we're going to do, it does say here you're going to cook on high 3 to 4 hours or low 6 to 7. So I'm going to stick it on for high for 3 hours. I'll see what it looks like, and we'll come back to it to see if I need to cook it any longer, if I need to add more barbecue sauce. Alright, it's been about 2 hours. We're going to take a look at the chicken right now. You see what it looks like right there. I'm going to go give it a stir. Alrighty. Alright. It's looking good. I think I'm going to go and keep it on for another 2 hours, and we'll be back to check on it. Okay, let's just do another update, see what it looks like. It's probably been about another hour or so. And it is looking good. Look at the bubbles. Bubbles. Probably steaming it up. But look at the bubbles. It's almost done. Gonna do another check. Alright, looks like it's done. take a look. Oh yeah. I'm going to take this tool here. This is what smashes it up. To make it into pulled chicken. Turn it off right now. I'm just going to keep on twisting and twisting and twisting until it's all shredded up. I am going to be adding more barbecue sauce though. I'm going to add some more barbecue sauce now. A little bit at a time. I like a lot of barbecue sauce. We'll be adding some more barbecue sauce. You try to be so quiet. And?
Alright, well, you're cutting that out now.
It's a vlog.
You cut that out now.
More barbecue sauce.
Go, barbecue. You burn that out for the crock pot.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
But it tastes good.
Oh my gosh. Well, at least it's done. I might add some more Worcestershire sauce too. Gotta taste it. And more of this. And some more Worcestershire sauce. And that is the recipe for the pulled chicken. That's it for that. I'm going to put this lid back on because I'm going to go and get the coleslaw stuff together, and I'll be right back. Okay, and now for the coleslaw. I'm going to be doing the tri-color coleslaw in its package, pre-packaged. Just going to pour it in here. And I use Marie's coleslaw dressing right there. Alright. Need a spoon. Pour a little bit at a time into the bowl. Stir it up. A little bit more. Gotta mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Alright, that's looking pretty good. There you go, right there. Looking pretty good. Okay, throw things in the trash. Put things away. And now we're going to plate it up. Okay, let me get the rolls, which I keep right in the microwave. And all I have here is a Kaiser roll from the Walmart bakery. The bread is pretty good. And they're not open. it up. Just like that. Like that. There's some coleslaw on top. And that is it. We have here the finished product. And it is the pulled chicken with coleslaw. So, thank you guys for hanging out with me while I did my first cooking vlog. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below, subscribe, and until I see you again, have a great day.